Ever wonder if robots will take over warehouse jobs? Well, it's already happening, but maybe not in the way you think. Meet Digit, a humanoid robot from Agility Robotics that just hit a massive milestone, moving over 100,000 totes in a real warehouse. This isn't just a lab experiment. Digit is working day in and day out, tackling the repetitive, physically demanding tasks that often lead to labor shortages. So, what makes Digit so special? While other robots, like those little autonomous carts, are great at zipping across a warehouse floor, they can't do everything. Digit is designed to handle the last meter of work. Imagine it picking up a bin from a mobile robot and placing it onto a conveyor belt. This requires a level of dexterity that mimics human movement, which is exactly what Digit's two-legged, two-armed design provides. This recent achievement proves Digit is reliable and ready for the real world, performing consistently under the pressures of a live production environment. And it seems investors are noticing. Agility Robotics is on the verge of securing a whopping $400 million investment, pushing its value to over $1.75 billion. This cash injection, with big names like SoftBank involved, is set to supercharge Digit's production. The company is already making improvements, like longer battery life, autonomous self-charging, and better safety features. With nearly 100 units already deployed to clients like Amazon and Spanx, the demand is clearly growing. This funding will help them scale up and get even more Digits into warehouses around the world. Of course, Agility isn't the only player in this game. You've probably heard of Tesla's Optimus robot, and there's also a startup called Figure AI, developing its own humanoid. The race is definitely on. But by achieving real-world results like the 100,000 totes milestone, Agility Robotics has taken a significant lead. They've proven that Digit isn't just a cool prototype. It's a practical solution to today's logistics challenges. As this technology evolves, we're likely to see these robots become more versatile, safer, and more cost-effective, transforming industries and changing the way we think about work. What do you think about humanoid robots in the workplace? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the future of automation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching.